Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Ntanzi is actually very, very sharp, and his memory is in another level. He's just telling Baloyi. A whole prosecutor, guys, busy, I correct. I'm just like, I need to learn. I wonder if our national commissioners are arrested. When bazogegela in. Okay, you must just be scary. Because there's gonna be this match. They must just wake up again and see what it's not gonna end well. It's gonna end in tears, Guys, Rata is so petty, he had to just repeat Leante Uguti and Untanzi must actually stop making examples using people in court. I was said to Ramosipil, it's funny, we are sorry. He won't do it again. I did speak to him. Also, Rataya, he was busy making examples using me. I was just like, oh, there's no need for that. Like, but now maybe you shouldn't have. Bese kuzoba lento le yaZandile Khumalo. You see, this thing yaZandile Khumalo is like a broken record now. It's so irritating, that thing yaZandile Khumalo, not knowing anything, deciding on those accused when there's no one that came to your house. That person is crazy. She's the same person who came to court, and she's actually the same person who lied so many times. And this is what I mean. So many times I've said, akafuneke court fanele manje kuze umuntu omzoduma wakhe noKelly Khumalo. Because uZandile Khumalo Gumede is the same person who said, you guys, you don't know what you've done to my family. Because we're court system, we don't do those things. Utufike court ukhomba abantu usho lezi zinto abantu ongabazi. First time you see these people, you acting like you know them. Uzandile Khumalo noKelly Khumalo, guys, they need to stop. Actually, fanele baboshwe manje. Makuzomoshwa ama-national commissioners, ababoshwe those people. All of them, the whole entourage. Kininda, ne-entourage yakhe wonke umuntu. NoBaloyi. UBaloyi nje befanele bamlande esakhulume ecourt in fact and bamfaka uZankosi. Straight up. Ntanzi's line is, I never went to the Khumalo house. Angikwazi nokuthi kubheke ngaphi kulowo muzi, which is the truth anyways. Ntanzi is fighting for his life. Nalento kaTumelo Madlala yamange ukuthi uNtanzi wayenentshebe ngo-2014. Batshela kahle usiqami nangangengane. I had no beard, I had no ntshebe. Please, people must just leave me alone. Guys, amanga ale court. Abantu abaqedwa amanga, guys. It's time. Sesifike isikhathi soBaloyi anyways. Ntanzi told Baloyi straight ukuthi, you know what? Please don't tell me about Zungu, because Zungu came here and lied about me busy saying that I'm changing tracksuits. Where was I changing? Which house was I at where I'm changing? Oh, hi guys, and Baloyi is trying so hard to justify it. I was just like, why are you justifying in danger, Baloyi? You need to stop now, yeah?
Lo msolo uB ngingalinganisa ukuthi wayengu-1.8 meters ubude. Uyangathekisa kithi. Uyangathekisa usho njalo. He was estimating that. Ngoba mina ngazangithathe lo muntu obhale encwadi. Ngazangithathe le photo ubude bami. Because the writer of this document never took my measurement, my height measurement.
Yes, he was estimating.
Yeah, but wayelinganisa.
Now let's look at the evidence of Lieutenant Colonel Mangena.
Akasibheke ubufakazi ke buka-Lieutenant uKhenela uMangena Boyisa,
which we've already referred you to on page 52 on the 30th of August 2023.
Ubufakazi abethula ngestate zika-August 2023 vele sesikhulumile ngabo sacaphunela bona ku-page 52
line 21.
Line 21
says, I did the same exercise and it was Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi. I did the same exercise. I took the height of him, which was 1.86.
Ovese washo lapha athi ngiphinde ngenza sona leso engisenze kuBongani Sandiswa. Ake ngifunde kulo line 21 uthi ngiphinde ngenza sona leso senzo. And kwakuBongani ke kulesikhathi uBongani Sandiso Ntanzi ngenza leso senzo ngakala ubude bakhe obabungu 1.86
lezi azifani lezi ebhalo Makeleni ayifani nale kaMangena.
These two things are not the same. What is written by who? Makeleni. It's not the same as what Mangena or as Mangena's.
Manje ngeke siqhathanise into uMangena ayenze kimi nale kaMakeleni azange azayenze kimi. Izinto lezi azifani namanje phambi kwekhona.
We cannot compare something that Mangena did to me and the one of Makeleni.
Ngoba uMakeleni ukube inkosi enkantolo wangithatha imeasurement wangeke kuphumele 180 la kwakuyophuma bo 1.5 1.4 ngo2014 ngiyakhula.
Because had Makeleni took my measurement, it would not have been up to 1.8 meters. It would have been, for example, 1.5, 1.4, 1.5.
1.4 1.5 ngo2014
in 2014.
Ngangobe mhlawumbe naseCartonville ugcelile ngoba eCartonville ngiyangena kwehadi bekunikeze lo course ngalesikhathi wenza uphela.
Because in the meantime I'm growing up in height.
Now,
So it would have been better had you requested the Carltonville, because the Carltonville I did go in and the measurements were done.
now the difference between the estimate by Mr. Makaleni and the measurement taken by Lieutenant Colonel Mangena, it's a mere 0.06 centimeters.
Uyabona umehluko kulokulinganisa kukaMakeleni nalokuqala okwenziwe uMangena, uKenneth Mangena. U
0.06 centimeters.
0.06 centimeters.
Yes.
Kuphi lapho 06 kodwa? Mina ngibona 186 ngapha 180.
Where does it say 0.06 centimeters? Because I see here on the other one it's 1.86.
Yes.
On the other one it's 1.80.
We're seeing the difference in other ways when you subtract 1.80 meters from 1.86 meters that was measured by Lieutenant Colonel Mangena. The difference is 0.06 centimeters.
No, objection. That calculation is wrong. 186 centimeters minus 180 centimeters, it gives you 6 centimeters, not 0.06 centimeters.
So it's 0.6 centimeters.
No, not zero. It's not a fraction. It's a full centimeter.
If it gives you a full centimeter, it means it's twice the length of the person
Yes.
who was being measured. Just common sense.
No, my lord. I'm saying 186 centimeters minus 180 centimeters. What does that give you?
You say
6 centimeters.
6 centimeters.
6 years. It does not give you 0.06 centimeters.
I thought-
That's a
anyway.
fraction.
Just let's go to the calculation. Let's do it the Bantu education way.
Yeah, kubamba indaba yezibalo izibalo zanamuhla.
The difference is 6 centimeters. Yes.
Kumele uyayiphikisa ukuthi lesi sibalo asenziwanga kahle, umshushisi akasenzanga kahle lesi sibalo. Umshushisi nawe uyasho ukuthi
We agreed with my colleagues from the left that it's 6 centimeters.
6 centimeters.
Yes. So the difference,
Please record, my lord. Thanks to Bantu education.
kuthiwa-ke akuyiwe kulento kuthiwa-ke ibantu education ngemali kwenziwe lesibalo ekugcineni-ke bayavumelana-ke abameli abamangalelwa kanye nalabo naloyo mele-ke umbuso ukuthi umehluko-ke kulezi nombolo ngu-6 centimeters.
yes. So you'll agree, Mr. Ntanzi, that's a very minimal difference of 6 centimeters. The difference between the height, actual height measured by Lieutenant Colonel Mangena and the estimate given by Mr. T. Makaleni.